Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got Chris here today with some amazing news with the Jeep.
Yeah, it's not broken. What are you guys talking about?
No, nothing happened here. Today we are January 3rd, 4th, 2023.
Let's go.
Let's jump back to December. I don't know.
After Christmas.
Was it after? Oh, after Christmas, yeah.
Day after Christmas.
So we'll go back to that footage and then we'll come back. All right, Chris, what the hell happened, man? You're just driving?
I was driving normally today.
Just driving. Oh, God. All right, stop it. What the hell?
Is it rebuild time or Hemi time?
Oh, man. Sounds like a lot of fun time to me.
Heck yeah.
We're gonna have to tear it down, figure out what's wrong with it before the next step because we don't know yet.
Yeah, we don't know. I gotta figure it out.
We don't know
probably
yet.
spun a bearing.
So now that we're back, you're up to date with what's going on with this. Chris is taking it apart right now. I try to help him. Yeah, just for fun. So I'm, trying to help him out. I didn't have much time. I've been busy, but we are here. We got the harness off. Most of the stuff is off. We just need the transmission bolts, the exhaust, and then the motor mounts. So we got Chris pretending to be a mechanic now.
Yeah.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Wait, hold on. Is my butt crack showing?
You're a mechanic, not a plumber. So, I mean, Chris pretty much did a lot of this. I already took everything apart. I don't want to film how to take one out because we don't even know. We're learning. Well, that's how all our videos are.
I half-ass now.
Yeah. We're not pros. We learn as we do it. So if we see anything like important, obviously I'll show that. But for the most part, it's just removing wire harnesses right now. And obviously the radiator and lights and the panel that goes across. Pretty basic stuff. The hardest thing is just to remember where everything goes. We're gonna try to fix this one. We don't know what we're doing. It's our first time really, and we're gonna learn. That's the only way to learn, right? To do it.
Yeah.
And YouTube videos.
Just stick it in there.
We'll watch other people's videos and learn how to fix one of these. But instead of working on the engine today, we are actually gonna put in some new tail lights.
Hey, let's go.
Right, let's do it. Even though they won't be working.
Hey, you know what? Things that are important. Lights and light bars.
Yes, light bars are more important than fixing your engine. So yeah. I probably beat one of you guys on this eBay listing. I saw these on eBay super cheap, and then I won. I won these lights. They were like 60 bucks, 50 something with shipping. Let me go ahead and show you. So these are the tail lights. Chris, unwrap it. It's a gift. My Christmas.
It's so cold out here.
My Christmas gift to you. Damn, these are nice. I actually was debating putting these on mine, but I ended up sticking with the ones I have. And
hey, why am I missing a bolt?
Yeah, they're used, all right? They're used. But no, these, honestly, these are like, to me, one of the best looking aftermarket lights. They are the C-bar as well, as you can see. So that'll all light up.
Hey, did you rhyme on purpose?
Did I what?
Did you rhyme on purpose?
What do you mean?
He said these are the C-bars that you can see.
It's because I don't have a good vocabulary, that's why.
He's not a studious fool.
But I think these are going to make the Jeep look better, even though it's not running right now.
Hey, make it look pretty so the city doesn't get me.
That way, by the time that it's ready, we're good to go, right?
Hey, don't mind my mess.
It's actually clean. So put it side by side. Wait, let's put it side by side. Wait, what is that? Is that water in your taillight?
Yeah.
I guess it was meant to be.
Hey, you know what? I didn't go mudding.
Why are you cleaning it? Why are you wiping it off?
Hey, there's no mud there. There's no mud there. There's no mud there.
Put it side by side so people can see.
Yeah.
I mean, I honestly think these are better. We're gonna do some LED upgrades on those once the Jeep is running.
Yeah.
But for now, we're just gonna throw them on.
You mean if it runs?
Yeah. For now, we're gonna throw this one on so we can see side by side how they look. And I'll have a link for these on eBay or Amazon down below. So check them out if you guys are interested.
It should be quick plug-in, right?
Yeah, I think so. Easy. These lights are literally plug and play, so you don't have to do anything. Just connect them. That's it. And I would suggest putting some grease in there. And obviously, we're not be able to turn them on right now because with the batteries out. And we'll do that in the future. I mean, tell me these taillights don't look way better. They look so good compared to these. These just look, I don't know. I think the yellow kills it on these.
It's cool.
The yellow, nah, these look way better. And then once they light up, this is gonna be all red. It's gonna be sick. But I mean, can't turn anything on. These have those 3 slots right there, and mine have 2 with the like 3 looking thing instead of a C light like those. It's a little bit different, but they still look sick. So which one would you rather prefer, this one here or the stock right side? Chris just got the other one off, and we're gonna put the new one on. Yeah, throw those away, man. Put the new one on. These are just plug and play, nothing special. Anyone can do this upgrade. And I'm sorry to the person that I beat on this listing. I had to win them, man. I like deals.
Hey, what do they say? If you're not first, you're last.
Yeah, if you're not first, you're last.
Yee.
I wouldn't recommend putting a lot of grease or else it won't clip in. But the other 2 bolts will hold it. So yeah, Chris's motor, it's not good anymore. But luckily, you know, we're somewhat mechanically inclined. We're gonna try to fix it ourselves. It's our first time fixing engine like on our own, so we'll see how that goes. But that's not how we wanted to start 2023. But we do have other cool things planned. A bunch of you guys will see in the future videos, but a bunch of cool stuff coming, so be prepared. We got content coming, a lot of parts and some other stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.